This is why you need GWK Trucking Academy in your life. Get ready to drive into a bright future. At GWK Trucking Academy, we offer a comprehensive curriculum that blends 30% classroom instruction with 70% hands-on training. Our programs meet FMCSA entry-level driver training standards and Texas CDL requirements, ensuring you're fully prepared for both written exams and real-world driving. Whether you're aiming for CDL Class A or Class B, our training covers everything from vehicle inspections and driving fundamentals to advanced skills and night driving. We even offer job placement support to help you land that dream job. With GWK, you'll walk away with a certificate of completion, eligibility for the FMCSA Training Provider Registry, and connections to top employers. Join us and become a part of the essential trucking industry. At GWK Trucking Academy, we're not just training truck drivers, we're shaping the future of trucking. Ready to start your journey? Visit our website and roll into a career that drives your success.